Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story no music available problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, again go to manage apps, search Instagram application, click on Instagram application, again click on storage, tap on clear data, again tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, click on Wi-Fi, check your internet or mobile data connection. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram application, tap on plus icon, select any picture, click on music icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story no music available problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.